Hi soulmates, you're welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to draft the pattern for a straight skirt. So let's get right into the video and see how we can go about this. So these are the measurements you are working with. The waist for the skirt is 32, the hip is 39, while the length of the skirt is 28. So you go right over to the paper and mark half an inch at the edge of the paper. Then from that mark half an inch, you place your tape and then you mark the length, which is 28. I added 3 inches. If you wish, you can add 2 inches or 2.5, but I just wanted to add 3 inches. Then from that half inch, you go ahead to mark your hip line. My hip line was 7. I made use of 7 for my hip line. For the hip line, you're going to go ahead to divide the hip which is 39, you're going to go ahead to divide it by 4. So I'm using my tape and just work with the tape like you see me doing. So what I got is 9 3/4. I go ahead to mark it and then I had a sewing allowance of 1.5 inch. I'm also going to go over to the waist, divide the waist which is 32 inches, divide it by 4 also. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead to mark what I got. I'm going to add 1 inch for the dart allowance because they're going to be dart on the waist, and so I also add 1.5 inch and connect dots from the waistline to the hip line. Now for the hem, that's the down part of the skirt, you are going to minus 1 inch from what the measurement you got after dividing it by 4. I got 9 3/4, so I'm going to minus 1, which will give me 8 3/4, which is what I marked at the hem, and also went ahead to add 1.5 inch. So I just connect the dots like so and then connect it neatly like you see me doing. And so I'm going to go ahead to cut out that which I've marked already. Now for the down parts, I'm not just going to go straight to cut it out like that. I'm going to fold it at the actual measurement line which I marked for the actual measurement of the skirt. To mark out your darts, you're going to be using your nipple to nipple distance as a guide. For me, my nipple to nipple distance is 7 inches, so on dividing it into 2 is 3.5, which is what I marked, and from 3.5 I marked 1 inch, and on that 1 inch I also marked half inch in between the 1 inch. So I came down by 4.5 and I connected from that point to the half an inch on both sides, just like you see me doing. So I'm going to go ahead now to cut out the front part of the skirt. It's necessary to fold the down just like you see me doing, and before you go ahead to cut out the skirt, because there is a curve from the point, from the length of the skirt to the hemming allowance which I added, which is 3 inches. So just make sure to fold that place before you go ahead to cut it. So we are going to go ahead to cut out the back pattern. From the center front, you mark 2.5 inches. What I have here is not 2.5, but when I'm cutting it on the fabric, I'm going to make sure it is 2.5 when I'm cutting it out on the fabric. From the actual length of the skirt, I'm going to come up by 10 inches, which is where my overlap is going to be starting from. And then at the upper part, I came out by 1 inch, and on the hip line I came out by 1.5 inch. And I went at the place I marked and I also came out by 1 inch. Now this is to create a curve because my front part is flat, and then of course there's a buttocks at the back. So this is just to help give the right shape for it to sit well at the back. So I'm going to go ahead to cut out the back part of this skirt, and in the next tutorial where I'll be showing you how to make a straight skirt, you're going to see why it is necessary to give that shape at the back for a very good fitting of the skirt. And that is how to cut a straight skirt. I hope you do find this video very helpful. Please, if you do find it helpful, do not forget to leave a thumbs up and to also share and subscribe. Please, if you have not subscribed. Until I come your way again, I remain Chidema. See you in my next video. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a straight skirt. Bye. Bye.